Welcome to Tech Vibe, your ultimate destination for everything breaking in the world of consumer tech and hardware leaks. If you are holding off on buying a drone right now because you are waiting for the next massive leap in compact aerial photography, your patience is about to pay off big time. The rumor mill is absolutely red hot with concrete leaks about the highly anticipated DJI Mini 6 Pro. DJI has a history of completely shifting the goalposts with their sub-240-gram lineup, but what they are planning for the Mini 6 Pro isn't just an incremental upgrade. It is a complete redesign that threatens to render even some of their mid-tier professional drones completely obsolete. Today, we are breaking down the verified technical shifts, the brand new sensor architecture, and the automated flight systems that will make this the absolute king of compact drones. Stick around, because the new tracking tech we are detailing later in this video changes the game entirely for solo content creators. To understand why the Mini 6 Pro is causing such a massive stir across the tech community, we have to look closely at the physical engineering constraints DJI is shattering. Staying under the 249-gram threshold is the holy grail for portable drones, allowing users in the United States, the United Kingdom, and across Europe to fly without facing restrictive federal registrations or overbearing local permits. In the past, keeping a drone this light meant sacrificing structural rigidity, wind resistance, and battery capacity. However, insiders are pointing toward a revolutionary carbon fiber composite blend for the frame of the Mini 6 Pro. This structural change significantly drops the dead weight of the chassis itself, allowing DJI to reallocate that precious weight allowance into hardware that actually matters. The most immediate benefit of this weight optimization is found in the propulsion system. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to feature redesigned, high-efficiency brushless motors paired with longer, swept-wing propellers. If you have ever flown a lightweight drone in coastal areas or mountain passes, you know how terrifying a sudden gust of wind can be. This new propulsion setup, combined with the structural stiffness of the new frame, reportedly increases the drone's wind resistance from level 5 up to a highly stable level 6. That means you can capture perfectly smooth, cinematic footage in conditions that would leave older lightweight models drifting helplessly off course. But a stable flight means nothing if the camera sensor can't deliver the goods, and this is where DJI is pulling off its most aggressive hardware flex. The camera housing on the Mini 6 Pro is getting a complete overhaul. Industry whispers indicate that DJI is moving away from the older sensors to introduce a brand new, customized 1-inch CMOS image sensor into the sub-249-gram category. For context, a 1-inch sensor is massive for a drone of this size. It fundamentally changes how the camera gathers light. The larger surface area of the pixels means a massive jump in native dynamic range and a drastic reduction in digital noise when shooting in low-light environments. Whether you are capturing a city skyline during the blue hour or a misty forest at dawn, the shadow retention and highlight control are going to look stunningly professional right out of the camera. This sensor is reportedly paired with a wider aperture of f/1.7, allowing an incredible amount of light to hit the glass. For filmmakers who love shooting slow-motion content, the processing backbone of the Mini 6 Pro is rumored to support uncropped 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second. That gives you buttery smooth, ultra-high-definition slow motion that maintains absolute crispness. On top of that, we are looking at the integration of true 10-bit D-Log-M color profiles. This means the camera can capture over a billion distinct colors, giving colorists incredible flexibility in post-production to push gradients, match footage with professional cinema cameras, and deliver true high dynamic range content without the image falling apart into ugly color banding. Of course, getting that raw data onto your memory card requires a massive amount of processing power, and that brings us to the internal brain of the drone. The Mini 6 Pro will run on a next-generation image processing chip capable of handling massive bit rates, potentially up to 200 megabits per second. This ensures that fast-moving data, ILS, like rustling leaves, rippling ocean waves, or high-speed vehicle chases, don't turn into a pixelated, compressed mess. Furthermore, DJI's renowned true vertical shooting is making a return, but with a mechanical twist. The physical 3-axis gimbal is being redesigned to allow a full 90-degree rotation without any physical clipping against the drone's nose frame, letting you utilize the full resolution of that glorious 1-inch sensor for vertical platforms without cropping your horizontal frame in post. Now, let's talk about the specific feature that is going to make this drone an absolute must-buy for solo travelers and action sports enthusiasts: the upgraded autonomy and tracking systems. The Mini 6 Pro is expected to introduce an advanced iteration of DJI's omnidirectional obstacle sensing, powered by a brand new binocular vision system. Instead of the bulkier, protruding sensor bubbles seen on larger models, these sensors are seamlessly integrated into the aerodynamic profile of the chassis. The drone will actively map its environment in 3 dimensions using real-time computing networks, identifying thin branches, power lines, and sharp terrain variations instantly. This hardware fuels the rumored ActiveTrack 6.0 system, which is a massive leap forward from previous generations. Older tracking systems could easily lose a subject if they went behind a single tree or briefly changed direction. ActiveTrack 6.0 uses predictive machine learning models to anticipate where a subject is moving. If you are mountain biking through a dense canopy or running along a winding ridgeline, the drone will intelligently predict your path, maintaining a lock on you even if you are temporarily obscured by foliage. It acts like a highly trained, autonomous camera crew flying perfectly in tandem with your movements. All of these high-power components require a serious power source, and DJI has addressed this with a completely new smart battery architecture. By leveraging higher energy density cells, the standard intelligent flight battery is rumored to push flight times up to an unprecedented 38 minutes. If you opt for the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, where local regulations allow for slightly heavier setups, that flight time could stretch to an astonishing 47 minutes. In the real world, longer flight times mean less stress, fewer battery swaps, and significantly more time spent actually framing your cinematic shots rather than rushing back to the landing pad. To round out this incredible package, the transmission system is getting upgraded to DJI's latest O4 HD video transmission technology. This setup utilizes a multi-band antenna array to maintain a rock-solid, low-latency 1080p live feed at 60 frames per second over incredible distances, even in high-interference urban areas crowded with competing Wi-Fi signals. You will have absolute confidence in your connection, experiencing virtually zero stuttering or signal dropouts while framing your shots. The DJI Mini 6 Pro is shaping up to be an absolute masterpiece of engineering, completely redefining what a compact drone can achieve. It blends professional-grade imaging with unparalleled portability, making it the definitive tool for creators worldwide. What feature are you most excited to see in this upcoming release? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown valuable, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a single hardware leak or deep dive here on Tech Vibe. Thank you so much for watching all the way through, and we will see you in the next one.